Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone AirDrop not working. Step 1. Turn AirDrop on properly. Swipe down to open control center. Press and hold the Wi-Fi box. Tap on AirDrop. Choose everyone for 10 minutes. This makes your iPhone fully discoverable. Step 2. Turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on. AirDrop needs both. Turn Wi-Fi off then on. Turn Bluetooth off then on. This refreshes the connection. Step 3. Bring device closer. Make sure both iPhones or device are within 1 or 2 meters. AirDrop fails if you are too far apart. Step 4. Unlock the other device. AirDrop won't appear if the receiver device is locked. Ask the other person to unlock their device. Step 5. Turn off personal hotspot. If hotspot is on, AirDrop stop working. Go to settings, tap personal hotspot, turn it off. Step 6. Restart both device. A simple reboot fix most AirDrop issue. Step 7. Check AirDrop receiving setting. On the receiving iPhone, go to settings, tap on general, then tap on AirDrop. Make sure it is set to everyone for 10 minutes. Step 8. Sign into Apple ID. AirDrop between Apple device works best when both are signed in. Check under settings to confirm your Apple ID login. After those steps, AirDrop should start working instantly. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.